if anyone has experienced these cars before, you will know, and probably noticed from my last video, that that's all you get to see the engine. Take this grille out, and that is all you can see. Now, I wanted to do a quick video on, for anyone who has bought one of these or owns one, wants to access the engine themselves. It's not too hard, not too difficult to get to the engine. So we'll go inside, and again you'll notice I've got no interior. So what we're going to do is, this back half of the roof flips up, which is our first step. And if I move this carpet, you'll see that there are, if you can see there's clips. I'll show you that one there. There's clips all the way around, and all you do is pull them up and they pop off. And they go all the way around. I think there's 5 of them, I believe. I have to get in, which means going around the other side. This is a lot easier when you haven't got ram arms in the way. That's better. They are quite tight, or can be quite tight, so mind your fingers. And then this section of roof should pull up. Show you from outside. Like so. Now I will remove the roof just to make it easier for me, but that will sit back there. I'll bring the deflector up, that should hold it. There we go. This piece of carpet can then be removed along with the insulation underneath. Soundproofing. There we go. So, and what you're left with is this access panel held on with a load of 10mm bolts. So undo the 10mm bolts, and then you have access to the engine, the airbox, everything you need in order to service one of these engines. So I hope that's helped you. Yeah, part 2 of this will be me removing the engine.